Hello, little learners. Are you ready to learn some English words? We have a sound book that will help us learn some English words with making the sounds so that we can easily memorize them. Are you ready to start? Let's go. Okay, the page number 1 has so many wild animals which will make sounds so that we can easily memorize their names. The way to learn in on this book is we have two options. We will press go and we will go one by one on each animal's name, and then if we feel confident we can start testing ourselves with this test button. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Oh, and don't forget to on the book first.
Press go button
Okay,
first.
so we'll press go.
Wild animals.
So wild animals. Okay. So the first one we will play this little sound button and it will start telling us the name of each animal. So first one,
Tiger.
tiger. Next,
Panda. Panda.
panda. Next one,
Bear. Bear.
bear. Next,
Squirrel. Squirrel.
squirrel.
Monkey.
Ooh, monkey.
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
Koala.
Koala. Crocodile. Next one, elephant. Oops. Kangaroo. Snake. Let's press next one. Chameleon. Next, tortoise. Bat. Next one, raccoon. And the one in the corner hiding here, red panda. Okay, next page. Lion. Zebra.
Wolf.
Ooh, wolf. Fox.
Frog.
Green frog. Hippo. Cheetah.
Polar bear.
Polar bear.
Arctic fox.
Arctic fox. Next one, rhino. Okay, next one,
Giraffe.
big and tall giraffe.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog. Okay, next one,
Porcupine.
porcupine. Next, lizard.
Bison.
Bison. And the last one,
Anteater. Anteater.
anteater. Okay, are you ready to test yourself now? It might be too early to test, but let's test for fun and see if how many we can got right. So we will press test button.
Quiz time. Press correct button to answer the question. Where is giraffe?
Where is giraffe? Let's find giraffe. I remember saying the giraffe is a big and tall animal. Can you find a big and tall animal somewhere? It looks like it's right here. Let's try.
Wonderful.
Oh,
Can you
wonderful.
find panda?
Panda. Where is panda? Is this a panda? Oh no.
Wrong.
No.
Please try again.
Where
Can
is
you
panda?
find panda?
I think this white one is panda.
Excellent.
Yes.
Where is
We got it.
porcupine?
Where is
Oh, wrong. Please try again. Where is tiger?
tiger? I think the first one we started was tiger. Do you want to try this one and see if this is a tiger? Let's see.
Correct.
Yes.
Can you find
Correct.
bat?
Okay, it says, can you find bat? Bat is something that can fly. So, do you see something with the wings? Can be a bat. Let's see. Let's try this one that has wings.
Excellent. Can you find
Okay.
bear?